Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.